Good morning, student. Today we discuss another topic that is called electric lines of force. सपोज आपके पास एक चार्ज प्लस क्यू है, इसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर आपने एक टेस्ट चार्ज क्यू नॉट लेके आए. As this test charge enter in the electric field of this charge, since both carry positive charge, then this charge move to this side. Since this charge will be repelled by this plus q, तो जब ये मूव करेगा, ये जो रास्ता पकड़ता है, the path followed by this charge if free is called electric lines of force. Class 10th you have studied magnetic lines of force. You know that you have a magnet, north pole and south pole. Lines start from north to south side, and you define the magnetic lines are the imaginary lines, so that if you draw the tangent at any point, give the direction of magnetic field at that point. In the similar way, these are the electric lines of force, are the imaginary lines, imaginary paths. Imaginary paths, so that if we draw tangent at any point, gives the direction of electric field at that point. It may be curved, may be straight line, that will depend. Now next question that comes, what are the different properties of electric lines of force? So, important question, 1 mark question for CBSE point of view. Properties. Hanji bachche. In case of magnet, I told you that it starts from north and end on south. In the similar way, first property of this is that start from positive and end on negative. पॉजिटिव से स्टार्ट हो रही, क्या खत्म हो रही है, नेगेटिव में खत्म हो रही है. सेकंड, नॉन कॉन्टिन्यूस. नॉन कंटिन्यू in case of magnet start from north and on south, but inside it is from south to north, so these are called continuous. But it is not the case in this case. Start from positive and but doesn't enter inside the charge, outside this. Third property, do not have break points. कोई ब्रेक पॉइंट नहीं है इनमें. ये नहीं है कि if it is positive charge, negative start and then this. Do not have break points. Continuous this moves. Got it? Fourth, you know that magnetic lines of force never intersect in the similar way. Never intersect. Why never intersect? If they intersect, and we define at any point, if you draw the tangent, will give you the direction of electric field at that point. If these two lines intersect with each other, then at this point P there will be two tangents, and you know in mathematics which is not possible. You cannot draw the two tangent at a given point. So always remember, these are the imaginary lines which may be curved, may be straight, but start from positive and end on negative. Next property, always perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Always perpendicular to the surface of conductor means if it is a conductor, then these lines always perpendicular to its surface. It makes an angle of 90 degree. Once in CBSE question was a plus Q charge is placed near the vicinity of a conductor. Near the vicinity of a conductor, draw electric lines of force. Its another property is a little perpendicular surface and never enter inside it. अंदर नहीं जाएंगी कभी भी ये. So if you draw these lines like this, emerging out from positive, since it is a conductor, so never enter intersect, move to outside. but never intersect inside the conductor. Inside the conductor, the electric field will be zero. Always remember. Next question आता है, draw the electric lines for a single conductor, or draw this for plus Q charge, negative charge. If you have a dipole, draw electrics. All of these are given in the notes. ध्यान से draw करना बच्चे. If it is plus, then if you are outside. If it is negative, then it is inside. If it is a dipole, plus to outside, negative to inside. But they will never intersect with each other. So this concept is about electric lines of force. So one thing is clear: whenever there is charge, whether it is a positive or negative, whenever there is charge, there will be electric field. If there is a electric field, there will be electric lines of force, and electric lines of force is always from positive to which are side negative charge. So I discussed that how the question come, draw the electric lines of force, they never intersect, do not have break points. Sometime question that it is there intersect? No, they never intersect each other. This concept is very important in solving my next question, that is called electric flux. Thank you.